Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to I Think It. Today it is Christmas Eve. By the time I release this video, it's going to be Christmas Day. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I am flying to El Salvador in 2 days, so I'm flying on Christmas Day. So I thought it would be a cool idea to show you what am I packing for my 1 week vacation to El Salvador. A lot of things have changed since the last time that I updated a video on what I packed for a 2 week vacation. Now I have her food allergies. I'm actually vegan and I am trying to be more sustainable. This video is going to help you to, if you have food allergies, know what to bring with you. If you are vegan, to get some cool ideas of products that you can take with you. If you're trying to be more sustainable, I feel like a lot of these zero waste products are not only going to save space in your suitcase, but also help you to save the environment. I'm going to show you is this toiletry bag. I believe I've had it for like 2 years. I'm excited for this. I actually haven't tried it yet, but I just ordered it. It's called Bamboo Earth is the brand, and it is an organic rose shampoo bar with conditioning effect. Instead of taking a shampoo container and a conditioner container, now I'm using a shampoo bar. Another cool swap that I've done is the makeup wipes. So now I'm using this one. If you search in my Amazon store, I have a few of these that you can check. They have different prices, but at the end, if you add up all the money you're spending in makeup wipes, this makes the most sense environmentally and also financially. This one is actually a cleansing soap for your face. It is also pink, smells so good, and I have one of these plastic containers, so all I'm going to do is that I'm just going to put it inside, and then I am good to go. And I do the same for my body. Honestly, I just take a soap bar. It's the easiest, and I have these containers. I don't have to worry about changing them anymore. Okay, I am excited for this. I'm excited for all of you to see it. Like, oh my goodness. I now have a spoon, I have a fork, a knife, chopsticks, a toothbrush, and also a bamboo straw that I can easily use over again. Okay, this is not environmental friendly. I still haven't found the other end, but honestly, I just have like this cute one that I take everywhere. I take the bar instead of the liquid, and also I have this sunscreen that I can use in my face and body. This is a bar. See, I'm telling you guys, like I'm so excited. Anyways, like this is just a brush. Honestly, I've had it for a few years and I just take it everywhere. But this, I've been using it for a few months now. If you didn't know this, let me see if I can find... Okay, so basically, when you go on a trip, I used to take these ones with me all the time. These are facial hair removers. However, they have soy. Did you know that? Like, they have soy. And every time that I would use it, my upper lip will get all swollen, but I knew that it was because of the product. I just had no idea that it was because of the soy allergy. So now I've been using this hair remover, and it operates with a battery that you can easily recharge. I got more products. These are just not eco-friendly, but eventually they will be. But I have cream, so this is for my hands, this is whole body. A toothpaste, floss, and also I have sunscreen, but this is just for my face. Okay, now let's jump into the fun part. You all know this is an injector, so basically this is my EpiPen in case I have an anaphylactic reaction to shellfish or peanuts. I will need to use this immediately and be taken to the hospital immediately for further assistance. So I know a lot of you take two. Since I'm from El Salvador and I live in El Salvador all my life, I already know which products and which supermarkets I can go that are going to be allergen friendly. So this is the reason why I am not too worried and I'm only taking one. However, if I were to do a long trip throughout Southeast Asia, trust me, I will be taking two. And if I have to use one of these, I will return immediately. So I just take my prescription with me and I put this one in this bag. This is the one that I've been carrying for like 8 months. So this is why like this Ziploc bag is really bad. But honestly, you can just reuse it. Benadryl. We all love Benadryl. Benadryl saves my life every time I react to some of those allergens that are not as severe as the peanut and shellfish. However, if I need them, I'm going to be taking lots of them. Okay guys, I'm going to get into this topic. I have a nutritionist and she's the one that has given me all this medicine. But if you didn't know this about me, I struggle with a malabsorption syndrome. So basically, I had all these food allergies and they all damaged my intestines, and this is the reason why I lost so much weight at the beginning of the year, because I wasn't absorbing any nutrients, whether I was eating as an omnivore or as a vegan. If you might suspect that you have a syndrome like the one I have, go check out with your doctor. It is vegetarian, so I don't have to worry about it. And I'm just gonna take the whole thing because I'm gonna be there for a week. So I'm gonna need 21 pills, and I already have like 30 pills in here, so might as well just take it all. I also have supplements. So basically this one helps me with healing my gut. Whoever has food allergies and a malabsorption syndrome is going to get my... I'm so mad. I'm really mad. Like I'm really upset at my body and how it operates, but I really hope that with all the medicine that I'm taking, it's going to eventually heal, especially because I want to be able just to absorb all the nutrients of the amazing veggies and fruits that I'm eating every day. But honestly, even if I have mangoes, if I have oranges, if I have mandarins, I am not absorbing vitamin C. So I still need to take vitamin C with me, honestly. Like I need 3 a day, and it has 27, so I mean 21, so exactly what I need for the week. Vitamin B12. Even if you're not vegan, you might still be pretty low in vitamin B12. And last one but not least, vitamin D. I'm pretty low because of the malabsorption syndrome, so this is why I'm also taking vitamin D. My gut health is not at its best. However, now that I'm eating vegan, it is a lot better, but still my body needs that extra boost of the vitamins that otherwise I wouldn't be consuming. So it's a struggle, but I really hope that it gets better. It's just like the reality of people that have food allergies. So if you're considering going vegan but you have food allergies, make sure that you talk to your nutritionist to see which vitamins you need and which supplements you might need to heal your gut. Because in my case, if I wouldn't have gotten vegan and if I wouldn't be going to my nutritionist and I was still eating as an omnivore, I would have developed allergies to fish, for example. I was already getting reactions from eating tuna. The next one was gonna be salmon and also tilapia. So in my case, if I would have continued to eat as an omnivore, I would have developed more food allergies. So 2 more things that I'm wanting to add into my toiletry bag are my earbuds and also my eye mask and also some cotton swabs. I usually just buy them and reuse this container. Okay guys, I got my backpack. I think this is the most exciting part. Honestly, it's the favorite part of the video. But I have my mask, which goes here on the front, and also my EpiPen, which goes in the front. And I actually carry also Benadryl in the bag where I carry my EpiPen just in case I needed to. So that is where that's going. Got food allergies. Like I do. I am allergic to wheat, to dairy, to soy, to pea protein, to, oh my gosh, like eggs, to shellfish, to peanuts, to tree nuts, to sesame seeds. And yeah, that's it. But I have a few food allergies, so that means that this backpack is going to go fully packed with food. Otherwise, there is no way that I'm going to survive a flight without snacks. Like I need them. So this is what I'm going to be taking. I am obsessed, you guys, with plantain chips. This company, I love it. They actually upcycle bananas from South America. And if you haven't tried them, give them a try. They have like different varieties. So they have this small one which is pink Himalayan salt, and honestly my favorite because it's pink but also salty. So I'm taking this one with me. They are amazing. They send me like so many products and I am so thankful for them. So I haven't tried this one, but it is toasted coconut with chocolate chips. So it is a banana brittle, and this is going to be perfect in case that I want a sweet snack. And this, guys, I tried it and oh my gosh, like I love chocolate, but I also love bananas. So this is great. And one thing about them is that they are cooked with coconut oil. So coconut is literally the only tree nut I'm not allergic to. And I react to soybean oil. I also react to sunflower and safflower oil in the vegetable oil. So in my case, I can only do coconut oil and avocado oil. So literally this brand is one of the only four in the market that I can eat without any problems. Food allergies. But they're amazing. When I come back and flying in the morning, I know I'm going to need something to eat for breakfast. This is where samples are great. I got this in one of the first that I went. So this is a granola sample, which I'm taking it with me. And also I have oatmeal. This I'm excited for. Which, wish me luck. I promise I'm going to make a video to show you how I use it. But I got a nut milk bag. Basically, you can make milk. And since I'm allergic to nuts and I'm not sure whether in El Salvador we're going to have options for me, I'm going to take this bag to make oat milk. So wish me luck! But I'm excited to give it a try. I have plenty of time at home. To survive, we are taking granola, and this is from Safe and Fair. They are free of the top 9 allergens, which basically it's like everything I don't consume. I'm allergic to 8 of these, minus fish, but then I just don't eat fish, you know. So, taking this. And the last snack that I'm going to be taking is pumpkin seeds. I am very thankful I'm not allergic to pumpkin seeds. I even react to sunflower seeds. Honestly, I fly with all of these snacks and I have never had any issues. Another thing I take with me is a reusable water bottle. You have probably seen it in a few of my videos already. But I take this everywhere with me, and honestly, I can just refill it in the airport, so I save myself $4.90 in addition to saving the environment. Single-use plastic bottles that just contaminate the oceans, you know? Poor fishes. So, get one reusable water bottle. And last but not least, I am taking another straw. Shout out to my cousin, I know she's watching this video. She gave it to me and it's just the coolest. I'm gonna put it right here and I'll have it in case I need it. Since I already know I'm going to be going to the market, I am taking my reusable bag and also produce bags inside. That is just so I don't have to use plastic bags. For my underwear, I actually take them in this bag. I have my own blanket and my travel pillow. I'm excited. Honestly, like, I need some sun really bad. I'm excited to go to El Salvador and just have the best time. But thank you so much, guys, for being here, for watching the last video of 2019. Thank you for growing with me. And if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to I Think It. All you need to do is click the red button over here under your screen. And I'm really close to 400, so I'm very excited. I really hope that in 2020 I can keep growing this account and show you more tips on how to eat with food allergies, how to travel with food allergies, how to be more eco-friendly, how to be more healthier with your body, how am I healing. And honestly, there's just so much coming up that I'm really excited and I cannot wait for 2020 to start so I can start sharing everything with you. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I really hope that this video helped you, especially if you have food allergies. And also, if you don't have food allergies, now you know. You can take food. Like, that saves so much money in airports. Because even in my case, everything has sunflower oil. So honestly, I cannot eat anything at the airport. Like, even the chips. Like, they're out of the question. So I always take my food with me And I'm very thankful that that's an opportunity and I've never had any issues. If I travel long for a longer period of time, I actually take containers with food, like I put beans, rice, a salad, and never have I ever had issues. One thing that I'm gonna show you that I'm packing is some bananas. I take bananas with me. They fill my stomach, especially when I'm traveling, and if I feel a little sick, they're amazing. So thank you so much guys for being here, for watching this video. I really hope that it was very helpful and I cannot wait to see you next year. So come back next Wednesday for the first video of 2020. Hope you guys have an amazing time with your family. You enjoy the holidays. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's Eve. I will see you next week with a new video. Bye guys!